Hi, I'm Natalie from Wiplabs, the go-to store for innovative crowdfunded tech products. Today we're going to show you the Ginkgo Solar Tree, which is a very special product for us because it's renewable energy and a way to charge your devices completely with solar. So let's get into it. Here's the box. It has a little bit of information in it, some explanation in lots of different languages, and it comes from a Shanghai-based company called XD Design. Sidebar, I think the XD is from the emoji where, you know, there's like X and it's like a really happy, like smiley face. I'm not sure, but if it is that would be funny because it does make you feel happy when you're doing environmentally healthy things. Okay, anyway, continuing. So here we go. Opening the box. First things first, it has a little pamphlet that tells you that it's made of 45% bio-based materials, and that the product reduces CO2 emissions by 35% compared to a product that's made entirely of plastic. So, pretty cool. Little piece of foam, and here is the product. Okay, another pamphlet. And set that aside. And here we go. Open that like this. So the first thing that you notice is this very pretty bamboo stalk that it has, and the way that it's packed allows you to flip out the different pieces so that it keeps less space in the box. And this little sticker on top tells you how to flip them out. So there you go. That is the charger all flipped out. There's an extra cable with micro USB to charge it up in case you need to. Put that over here. So what's also cool about the product is that when you go into the sun, there's actually an indicator here that turns on to show you that it's actually charging. If you push it now, okay, out of the box, it's two lights out of 5, so it's already charged. But yeah, this is the same place where there's an indicator that'll tell you that it is charging. And once you're charging, once the Ginkgo Solar Tree is charging, it actually stores the energy in a battery pack down here so that you can use it for later. On the side, it has, so the back there's like a rubber base to keep it steady. It's really a really beautiful product. It's so nice. Then there's a USB and the micro USB here. Now this little rubber bit here is cute because it allows you to charge your phone and use it as a stand as well. So while you're charging it, you can just kind of stand it up like that. So there. So it's a really beautiful product. Like I said, sustainable, eco-friendly. It's just really cool to be able to charge your devices completely with solar energy. Let me know what you guys think. This is, like I said, one of our favorite products, but I'd love to hear what you guys think. Let us know in the comment section below, and I'd love to hear from you. So my name's Natalie, and I hope to see you on wiplabs.com again soon.